You're back here again so soon? Why am I not surprised? Excuse me. Please don't kick that soccer ball in here. This is not a play area. Thank you. I'm on a very important teleconference. Please sit down and remain quiet until the meeting is over, then I will deal with you. Classic Caillou, you ruined my teleconference. You are in so much trouble. I hope you enjoy detention because you'll have a lot of it soon.
Attention faculty, staff, and students. This is not a drill. Please exit your classrooms and line up at your designated areas along the perimeter fence. I repeat, this is not a drill.